Hey guys, welcome back to the home at Homestead. Today we will be doing an unboxing of the Excalibur Food Dehydrator. We are upgrading our dehydrating equipment and we decided to go with the Excalibur 5-tray dehydrator. It's model number 3526T and then W because it's white. If you get the black, then it ends in the letter B. This is a well-respected and well-made food dehydrator, and it's a nice self-contained unit. It has a timer and a thermostat. It weighs about 15 pounds, so it's easy to move about if you want to put it in the kitchen or if you have another dedicated area for doing your food dehydration projects. And it provides about 8 square feet of drying space. So that's a nice amount for our food dehydrating needs. So let's get this box open and see what we have here. So inside they have a manual. It's a dehydration guide, and it has their website, www.drying123.com. The next size up would have been a 9-tray dehydrator, but we thought that the 5-tray would be a nice size for our use. So let me get this packaging off here, and we'll take a closer look at this dehydrator. Okay, so we have the packaging all off, and what the dehydrator has is this little front cover that just loosely fits on there that encloses the trays. So this unit is a 5-tray unit. They're plastic, and there's a poly mesh, and all of it's BPA free. And they just slide into these little grooves here. As you can see, it's a pretty big surface area for dehydrating. And it comes apart, and you can dump your finished product into jars or whatever container you're using to store them. This will be great for preserving of our herbs from the herb garden, as well as I plan to use this for some of the scraps when I'm canning. So if I'm canning tomatoes, I may take the skins and then dehydrate them and make a tomato powder or other such vegetable and fruit scraps. This will be nice. So we'll set these trays aside, and I'll show you the back of the unit, which is where the fan is located. So in the back of the dehydrator is where the fan and the drying unit is, and the point is that it circulates through all the trays nicely, so you shouldn't have to be doing constantly rotating from top to bottom or the order of different style dehydrators you sometimes have to do. We'll see how this unit works. There may be instances where, depending on what I'm trying to dry at that point in time, if I have to shift them, but the technology is such that the idea is it'll dry from the rear and kind of circulate around to take the moisture out of your food item that you're doing. These also can come out, and if you do any in jar or in container projects, sometimes with yogurt and things like that, then you can set the jars right in this unit without the trays in. And this has the size capacity that if we plan to do that, we can. So the lid just kind of sets in a groove on top, and then it slides in on the bottom. So we'll look at the top of the unit here. It has a general listing of guidelines for temperatures and settings, and there's a temperature knob and a timer knob, which is nice because not all dehydrators have both of those functions. And this is set to when the timer is up, it's supposed to cut off as well. So if you get busy doing something else, or if you're doing this, you know, at night when you're sleeping, then you know that it'll just cut off for you. So what I will do is link in the description box below this unit. This is the white one. I can also link the black one. These are the 5 tray. It also comes in a 9 tray, and there's other sizes as well. But I'll do the 5 tray and the 9 tray. You can decide which size would work well for your food dehydrating needs. So I'm looking forward to using this new addition to our kitchen here in my food preservation projects, and get dehydrating some herbs and vegetables and fruits and things. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.